In today's educational video, we are going to teach you how to do self-server repair. That's right, we're going to teach you how to repair your own server. Now, normally to repair your own server, it requires some very high-tech tools, lots of education, certification, and lots of know-how. If you watch the entire video today, you're going to learn how to repair your server yourself and save your company lots and lots of money. So let's get started. Let's take a look at the server. We have a problem-ridden Dell PowerEdge server. Let's get our server repair tools out. And that, my friends, is how you properly fix a Dell server. I can guarantee with 100% certainty that this server will never give anybody a problem ever again. So that's it. Thank you for watching our video, and bye-bye.